In this video, let me show you how to fix FC Mobile sound problem. Open the Settings app on your device, scroll down and select App Management. Navigate and tap on the Settings. Search for FC Mobile and select it. After that, scroll down and tap on Storage and Cache. Next, click on Clear Cache but do not clear data. Now go back and tap on Force Stop if you have a Force Stop on FC Mobile game. Then confirm by clicking OK. After that, clear storage to delete all stored data, including the updated version of the app. Next, go back to the main screen and open FC Mobile to update the app automatically using Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, make sure your internet is on. By following the steps, you should be able to fix the sound issue in FC Mobile. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.